The CAMPLUX Propane Range is an exceptional addition to any kitchen, offering a versatile 2-in-1 design that includes both a stove and an oven. Before we dive in, the link to this product is in the description below. We recommend you to check the latest price for your convenience. Perfect for all your cooking needs while on the road, this compact system combines convenience and high performance. With a powerful 3-burner stove, including one 8,000 BTU burner and two 6,500 BTU burners, plus a 1.27 cubic foot oven providing 7,100 BTU of cooking power, this unit ensures you can prepare a wide variety of meals, even while traveling. The stainless steel finish adds a touch of elegance to your RV kitchen while maintaining durability for daily use. In addition to its cooking power, the CAMPLUX RV Propane Range offers easy maintenance. The stovetop features a heat-resistant enamel surface, making it easy to clean and resistant to sticking. It also comes with a removable cast iron grate and a dust-proof tempered glass cover, ensuring a cleaner cooking experience. The oven drip tray catches any spills, further simplifying cleanup. This range is built for life on the road. With shockproof rubber pads and fastened burners, the stove ensures safe cooking even on the roughest terrain. Whether you're on a long road trip or enjoying a weekend getaway, this stove stays stable and reliable during your travels. Safety is a key feature of the CAMPLUX RV Propane Range. It is CSA certified, meeting North American safety standards, so you can cook with confidence. The safety cutoff valve prevents fire hazards by automatically shutting off the gas flow in case of an emergency. Additionally, the child-proof rotary piezo ignition system ensures that the stove cannot be accidentally ignited by children, giving you peace of mind while on the road. The CAMPLUX RV Propane Range is constructed with high-quality stainless steel, which not only gives it a sleek and modern look but also makes it incredibly durable for long-term use. The stainless steel backlight knobs add to its aesthetic while providing functionality and easy control over the cooking process. If you're looking for a compact, efficient, and safe cooking solution for your RV, the CAMPLUX RV Propane Range is the ideal choice. Whether you're baking, roasting, or cooking a family meal, this oven and stove combo gives you the flexibility and performance you need while on the go. For the latest price and more details, check the link in the description below. Happy cooking, and enjoy your adventures on the road.